How to transfer money into your OnePay account. In this tutorial, you will learn how to transfer money into your OnePay account. This is the OnePay app home screen, showing your cash section with debit and savings balances, options to add money, and a feature that lets you earn cashback rewards on streaming and utility payments with OnePay Cash, along with progress toward unlocking OnePay Cash benefits. From the options that are here, make sure you tap on the one named Add Money. You will land on this page. This is the page where you add money to OnePay, allowing you to enter the amount you want to deposit and select the destination account, such as OnePay Debit, before confirming the transfer. After that, tap this option here where you are supposed to select the destination where you would like to transfer the money to. From there, a menu pops up. As you can see, you can add money to OnePay from different sources, such as Apple Pay or a debit card, both requiring a minimum of $25, or from a bank account, which takes 2 to 5 business days to process. This also depends on the sources you have linked to your OnePay account. Finally, tap on Transfer, and the money will be transferred. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to transfer money into your OnePay account.